In this video, I am going to show you another setup that is the leading trading view indicator, and this is still hidden and this is not reviewed, I think so, by anyone. So I have found this indicator and making this video, and you will be simply amazed when I will tell you the method that how you are going to utilize this indicator setup. Then you will be quite amazed. As you know that in the yesterday I have promoted the very good strategies and my subscribers are quite happy, and you are also going to love this strategy because this strategy is super accurate and you are going to be love with this strategy. So that's why I always say to subscribe the FX Mentor US, because a lot of interesting strategies are going to be uploaded on a daily basis. So before I jump in this video, if you have not subscribed the YouTube channel, subscribe it. And moreover, subscribers, if you are looking to join the best broker that I am using from 2015, if you want that your investment should be safe and you can invest as much as you can and your investment is always safe, then I have provided the link of the broker in the description of this video below. This broker is regulated and I will recommend you to go for the standard account that I also personally use, because this is the most recommended and popular account. Otherwise the other accounts are there, but I personally love the standard account. So please join the broker by finding the link in the description of this video below. Okay, so guys, now we are going to find that which strategy we are using for this much profitable great signal. So that's a very simple strategy. So for all this, we just need to go into the indicator section, and here you need to write resampling. Okay, resampling. Okay, so when I will write resampling on Tradingview, also if you do not find, then you can also add another word that is called reverse, resampling reverse, and then it will come resampling reverse engineering bands DW, and this indicator has become the editor's pick, and you can see the name of the author is Donovan Wall, and it has so many likes, 2199 likes at the moment. This is loved by the community on Tradingview. So might be you are not using this indicator before, but right now you will be going to use it. Okay, so when we talk about this indicator, as you can see that it is providing us the red level and the green level. So what this stands for, this is the very simple message by the author that whenever the market has reached to the green zone, this is the overbought area of the market, and when the price is into the lower zone, like as you can see here, that this is the lower zone and this is the oversold levels of the market. And the one thing, if you look at here, we have the moving average in between, and it is right now it is into the red color, that is the pink color, so it's a sell signal from here. So as you know that we have some sort of red colors here as well, but the price didn't went down on that time, instead it went up. That is why we are going to use another indicator so that it will make the signals quite accurate. Okay, so first of all, we are moving towards the setting of this indicator. So we are going to the indicator section here. First of all, we are going to uncheck the labels. Now you can see labels are removed from my screen, right? Okay, now you can see that we have the different options here, so we do not have to disturb this. If you want to uncheck the bar color, it's your choice, but I would prefer to go with the bar color because it looks beautiful. Okay, so we are not going to uncheck the remove background. First one, it will give a very light color, so keep it active like this, but we are going to uncheck the background color at the second number. So when I will uncheck this, you can see there are lines behind the screen, so we do not want these lines, so that's why I'm going to uncheck this, and now our this indicator setup is completed, right? Okay, but this is not enough, because right now you know that this is the only one indicator, and we need to avoid the fake signals as well, and we want to take the proper confirmations, and that's why I'm going to the indicator section again, and I am going to add the second indicator that is called Kyle Algo, and this is one of my favorite indicators. You can see 921 likes on this indicator, and still very less used by the traders. Okay, and because might be you are not sure about the power of this indicator, I have personally used this indicator for scalping, and this is a really trustworthy indicator. Okay, now I'm going to the settings of the Kyle Algo. Okay, So first of all, I'm going to uncheck the labels. Let's see if we can go with the bar colors. So yes, okay, whatever. No, we cannot remove the labels, otherwise the buy and sell signals will be gone. Okay, now going into the input section, as you can see here that we have the moving average in the middle, so we don't need that. This option is into the input section. We are going to uncheck the EMA energy from here, and now you can see our chart is pretty clear, and that's a very clear picture of the market at the moment. Now guys, just the strategy is very simple. This is the oversold levels of the market, so try your best to catch the signal somewheres here where the market is dead overbought and oversold. So for example, right now if we look at this area, this is kind of an area where we can say that this is the dead oversold level. So if we get a buy signal from here, we are going to take that trade. And the second, if you should look for the moving average that is in the middle. It should be also into the green color when we have the buy signal. Okay, and this Kyle algo indicator is very good. Now we are going to review that how it's working on the different pairs. So first of all, this is the AUD CAD 5-minute chart. So first of all, I will miss that signal because I will not be interested in using that signal, because this signal is coming in the middle. This buy and this sell, they are in the middle, so buy is successful. But as I have mentioned, you take your best to take the sell signals in this upper green part and take the buy signals from the lower green part. For example, for lower red part, sorry, if you look at here, the price was down, this is into the lower part, so the buy signal come, now you can take that one, because this is the main condition is the market should take a U-turn from the green level, or it should be taking the U-turn from the red level like this, for that we can make sure of the signal. Okay, so for example, look at this one. I will not take that sell. Let's take it the U-turn. You can see price is up. Okay, so let's analyze more pairs. You can see the market take the U-turn, buy signal, green moving average, we can take that signal. Okay, so first of all, let's analyze that how much it is providing us on the signal. So for example, we have taken a buy position from here. Now we are going to set up the stop loss just at the previous low of the market, not high is recommended. Okay, you can see we are able to catch 5.61 trading ratio from this trade. This is super accurate. Okay, so similarly, if you are getting any sort of sell signal from here, you can trade that one. Otherwise, if it is now providing a sell signal, this is a good condition because the market has already taken a U-turn and you can trade with it. Okay, so it's not even working on this one, it works on everything. Look at this, another U-turn was taken on CAD JPY. You can see the price is going up, and you can see the market went into the dead overbought levels. You get a sell signal, and that's a good signal. Okay, so if you look at here, we have a buy signal here, but I will not trade because this is the middle signal and the price has not taken a U-turn properly from here, because the previous U-turn was here, so I cannot trust this one. I want a recent U-turn exactly like this. Okay, so this is the main part of the strategy. Look, we have a lot of good indicators into the TradingView, but we do not use it with the proper way. Okay, so for example, look at here, the market touched the dead overbought levels, and finally we get a sell signal after the U-turn, and now you can see we have received a buy signal after the U-turn. You can see the price is going up. Okay, so this is how, if you are going to use this indicator, look at this, this is the buy signal. You can see how much price has went into the upward side. Let's calculate the trading ratio, and you will be simply amazed because the price has gone so much high. And so for example, if you can set up just like this, then you can see almost 2.18 ratio here. Okay, so this is working on everything that is supported on TradingView, even on Euro USD as well. I can show you the rest, like if we go to gold, and you can see we have a perfect buy signal after the U-turn, and you can see price is up. And if you trade S&P 500, we will not take that buy. We can take that buy. We will not also take that buy because there is, the price should go to the dead oversold levels. Okay, so overall, if you're trading Forex, crypto, stocks, anything, look at this Matic 5-minute crypto, it's down. Okay, so after the dead oversold, you can see buy signal. So guys, what do you need else? Because these indicators are very powerful, and they are even working into the bank nifty as well. So you can see the signals are quite accurate. Just follow the condition that I have taught you in this video so that you can avoid the maximum losing trades. So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button. Moreover, those subscribers who are willing to book the lifetime version of my private indicator, they can contact on Telegram. The link is given in the description. description of this video below. Please subscribe, like and share this video.